Good morning, my love. Welcome to this guided morning meditation to help you start your day with positive energy and getting a good start to your day. So find a comfortable meditation posture and then close your eyes. Take a deep breath all the way down into your stomach and then breathe out tension from your body and worries from your mind. Breathe in deeply and breathe out fully. Breathing in fresh new energy and breathing out tiredness and sleepiness. Just relax and enjoy this moment. Now as you breathe, imagine that you are breathing in positive energy. Feel this strong energy enter your body as you inhale, and then let your body absorb this powerful positive energy. Then breathe out empty air. So breathe in fresh morning energy from all around you and feel the energy inside of you. Then breathe out slowly and fully, releasing drowsiness and tiredness from your body. Breathe in fresh air and breathe out empty air, drained of its energy. Keep breathing in this positive energy and allow it to fill your body and mind, making you feel fresh and energized, ready to start your day, ready to experience your day, and ready to have a great day. So breathe in this beautiful energy and feel it inside of your body. Feel it in every cell of your body, like a powerful light inside of you, energizing you and making you feel excited and happy. Breathe in this fresh air and fill your body with its energy. You are like a battery, getting charged with each breath you take. What a powerful feeling. What an uplifting feeling. Your body is full of energy, and your mind is clear and positive. So keep breathing in this strong energy and feel it spread to every part of your body. You can't wait to start your day. You can't wait to see what amazing experiences and opportunities this day will bring. You know today will be an amazing day, filled with positive situations and positive people. You are going to have a productive day, an exciting day, and a beautiful day. 'Cause life is truly beautiful. Beautiful and perfect. Then take a deep breath, and then slowly open your eyes. Now start your day feeling happy and feeling excited. Namaste.